No matter how many times I try this, it still blows my mind. As I pour water into this glass, the arrows change direction. This is because as light travels through water, it refracts. Additionally, the curved glass acts like a lens, which is similar to how your eyes work. If you try this for yourself, use a curved glass, hold the paper a few inches away, and follow for more science videos. This is a chain fountain. It's also known as the mold effect, and it's possible because of momentum. The beads inside the jar are traveling very quickly upward, while the beads outside the jar are traveling very quickly downward. The higher you hold the jar, the higher the fountain will rise. Try it for yourself and follow for more science videos. What color do you get when you mix red and blue? Well, normally you would get purple, but watch this. Why aren't the colors mixing? Well, these waters are actually different temperatures. The red water is hot, the blue water is cold, and temperature affects density. The red, hot water is less dense than the cold blue water, so it's able to stay on top. Try it for yourself and follow for more science videos. Pop a balloon with an orange. Blow up a balloon and carefully cut off a piece of orange peel. Squeeze the peel onto the balloon and watch. Orange peels contain an oil called limonene, which dissolves the rubber in the balloon, causing it to pop. And that's how you... This is ferrofluid. It's a liquid full of magnetic particles. When placed near a magnet, spikes form, allowing you to visualize the magnetic field. Ferrofluid was created by NASA in 1963 to help move fuel through space. Try it for yourself carefully, because this stuff can get messy. And follow for more science videos. Water. Rub a balloon on your clothes to create static electricity. Hold it near a small stream of water and watch. The negatively charged balloon pulls on the positively charged water molecules. And that's how you balloon rocket. Thread some yarn through a straw and hang it tautly. Tape an inflated balloon to the straw and let go. And that's how you make a magic balloon. Rub a balloon on your head to create static electricity. Place against a wall and let go. The balloon sticks because the negatively charged particles in the balloon attract to the positive